how many you get right, or if you get any right. Yeah, let's get started, and let me know if you want me to do any of the other categories in this book. Okay. Question number one. Question number one. In 1948, what hook and eye fastener was invented by Georges de Mestral? The answer is Velcro. Number two. What trunkless plant is the largest? The largest trunkless plant. Don't even know what that means. The answer is the banana. See, it's just a fun fact. Number three, what animal besides humans has sex for reasons of pleasure, not only reproduction? The answer is the dolphin. Interesting. Number four, in the UK, how many lines are on the television? I don't even know what that means. Lines on the television. I don't know. The answer is 625. Good to know. Number five, what is the name for repetitive spasms of the diaphragm? The answer is a hiccough, which I looked up and is the same as a hiccup, so I've never heard hiccough before, but hiccups, I don't know. Number six, what is the name for a growing method that does not use soil? The answer is hydroponics. Number seven, if a female honeybee receives royal jelly as a larva, what will it become? The answer is a queen bee. Number 28, what primate native to Madagascar meows like a cat? The answer is the lemur. Number 29. Oh, 29. 9. What is A plus cosine sine equal to? A plus cosine and then parentheses sine equal to. Gosh, it's been a long time since I had calculus. Just guess the first number that comes to your mind. The answer is 1. Number 10. What nation is responsible for inventing the wheelbarrow? The answer is China. It's always China if it's like who invented something that's really old. Number 11. What kind of glass gets darker when it is exposed to light? The answer is photochromic. Number 12. How long can a flamingo live? It's very open-ended. Guess an age, and if you're within like 10 years, then you can have the point. The answer is 80 years. A flamingo can live for 80 years. Number 13. USS Halstead. Number 15. Is Earth's gravity pull stronger at the poles or the equator? The answer is the equator. Number 16. What is the sun made of? If you can guess the gas that is most abundant in the sun, then you can have it. The answer is hydrogen. It's 70% hydrogen, 28% helium by mass, and everything else amounts to less than 2%. Question number 17. What is another name for German measles? The answer is rubella. Number 18. What is the name scientists use for how the universe will collapse? The answer is the Big Crunch. Doesn't sound pleasant. Number 19. The Himalayan Yeti is also known as what? The answer is the Abominable Snowman. Number 20. What do the letters URL stand for in relation to computers? The answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Number 21. Aberdeen Angus is what kind of mammal? The answer is cattle. Number 22. What are the two components of complex numbers? The answer is real and imaginary. I don't know if I'd call those components of complex. I don't know. Number 23. How do white blood cells function? What is their function? The answer is to combat disease and infection. Number 24. How many legs are in each segment of a millipede? The answer is 4. Number 25. What can invertebrates live without? Don't think too hard about it. The answer is a backbone without a vertebrate. Number 26. Who is the father of the child who flew too close to the sun with feathers held together by wax? The answer is Daedalus. Daedalus. I don't know. The answer is in the neck. Number 32. What type of animal are frogs? The answer is amphibians. Number 33. Who discovered penicillin? The answer is Sir Alexander Fleming. Number 34. Nyctophobia is the fear of what? Nyctophobia. The answer is the dark. Number 35. Who was the inventor of the centigrade scale? The answer is Anders Celsius. Number 36. What is the only undomesticated monkey in Europe? So random. The answer is the Barbary ape in Gibraltar. Number 37. What does ATP stand for? ATP. The answer is adenosine triphosphate. It's what's used for energy. That's one I would have actually gotten. Number 38. The word puppy comes from which French word? The answer is poupée. It looks like poopy. Poupée. I don't know. Number 39. What physical print on the human body is singular? So you only have one of them. That's a good question. The answer is your tongue print. I don't know why I just made a noise. It's your tongue print. That's kind of cool because, like, you have finger and toe prints, but, like, you have two of your fingerprints. Each one, you know? I don't know. Number 40. A woman's ceasing of menstruation is known as what? The answer is menopause. Menopause. Number 41. What is polyvinyl chloride better known as? Polyvinyl chloride. The answer is PVC. Isn't that like a kind of pipe? PVC pipes. Number 42. Which part of the brain does a lobotomy affect? The answer is the frontal lobe. Number 43. What is another common name for the crane fly? The crane fly. The answer is daddy longlegs. Number 44. What were pterosaurs? What is a pterosaur? Number 49. In computing terminology, what does BASIC stand for? The answer is Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic or Standard Instruction Code. Number 50. Which planet spins quicker than the rest? The answer is Jupiter. It rotates once in just under 10 hours. That's crazy. So a day is like less than 10 hours. Question number 51. What are the three parts of an insect's body? The answer is the head, thorax, and abdomen. Number 52. What star is closest to the Earth besides the Sun? The answer is Proxima Centauri, or Alpha Centauri. Number 53. The oyster is what, which means that it will change from male to female many times throughout its life. That would be cool. The answer is ambisexual. Number 54. What mammal has the longest lifespan? The answer is the Arctic whale. Number 55. What does the acronym LPG stand for? The answer is liquid petroleum gas. Number 56. What two-dimensional shape has four equal sides but no right angles? Four equal sides but no right angles. The answer is a rhombus. Number 57. Which country produced the first alarm clock? The answer is Germany. Number 58. Why was the Seismosaurus given its name? Seismosaurus. As in S-E-I-S. Seismosaurus. The answer is because of its size. Hence, earth-shaking lizard. So, I guess if you weren't reading it, it was honestly more obvious that it's because of its size, but seismo, like earthquake. So I guess it's like an earth-shaking lizard. Question number 59. What kind of creature is kept by an apiarist? The answer is bees. Number 60. Including pincers, how many legs does a crab have? The answer is 10. Number 61. The largest jellyfish in the world has tentacles that are longer than half of a what? Some of these are stupid. The answer is a football field. But like, it always pisses me off when people use football fields as a unit of measurement. Especially when it's a trivia question. Like, does a small mammal known as conies in the Bible share their ancestry with which large animal? The answer is the elephant. Number 83. What is a winkle? A winkle. The answer is a sea snail. Number 64. Trepanning is used for what? Trepanning. The answer is that it is an ancient form of medicine involving making holes in the human skull to relieve pressure. Don't try this at home. Number 65. What is the road from Alaska to Chile called? The answer is the Pan-American Highway. Makes sense. Number 66. Does a person generally become farsighted or nearsighted as they get older? The answer says long-sighted, which wasn't one of the answers. I'm assuming that means farsighted. I've kind of had it with this book, not gonna lie, but I hope you're getting some fun facts. Number 67. Common white-winged and hairy-legged are all types of which kind of bat? The answer is a vampire bat. Number 68. What pressure and temperature conditions are necessary to transform graphite into a diamond? Again, how would you know that? I don't know. But you're gonna learn. The answer is 3,000 degrees Celsius and 100,000 atmospheres, which is at least 20,000 times more pressure than the pressure inside the average bike tire. Okie dokie. Number 69. How many humps does a dromedary camel have? The answer is 1. Number 70. What does MG stand for in the automotive world? The answer is Morris Garages. Number 71. During hibernation, a bear will lose up to 25% of its what? The answer is body weight. Number 72. What are the most common colors that people will confuse when they are colorblind? The answer is red and green. Number 73. What country has the longest coastline? The answer is Canada. Number 74. The second most common element on planet Earth is what? Second most common element on planet Earth. The answer is silicone. Silicone. Silicon is an element. It says silicone. I guess they mean silicon. Number 75. What that substance uses the Greek words meaning non-flammable? The answer is asbestos. Number 76. What is the fastest flying bird in the world? The answer is the peregrine falcon. Number 77. What language does the term eureka come from? The answer is Greek. Number 78. What is the average life expectancy of a leopard in captivity? So freaking random. What the heck? The average life expectancy of a leopard in captivity. Are you kidding me? The answer is 12 years. Number 79. What is the oldest organism still alive on planet Earth? The answer is a bristlecone pine in California, which is about 4,600